All right, we're still in February. Do you know what we're talking about? This whole month, we're talking about owning your body. Right. Your body reacts before your mouth does. Your body reacts before your mouth does. I had to say that a couple of times because I had to resonate that in my brain. Before you respond, before you explain, before you defend, your body has already decided whether it feels safe, threatened, dismissed, or overwhelmed. Your shoulders raise, your breath shortens, your jaw tightens, your chest constricts, and then you speak. Later, you replay the moment and think, why did I say it like that? Or, why did I shut down? Or, why did I over-explain? It wasn't your words. It was your body leading the conversation. This matters, so stay with me. Your nervous system is designed to protect you. When it senses threat, and a threat doesn't have to be dramatic, it prepares you to defend, escape, or comply. That preparation shows up physically first. Tone shifts, volume changes, silence creeps in, or you start talking too much. I think that's my part. This is not immaturity. This is conditioning. But here's the hard truth. If you keep letting your body react without interruption, you will keep apologizing for words you didn't mean, staying quiet when you should speak, or saying yes when your body is already tired. That's not a communication issue. That's a regulation issue. Here's the teaching moment. You cannot change reactions you don't slow down. And you cannot slow down what you refuse to notice. So we're not aiming for calm, we're aiming for pause. Pause is power. Stay with me. Pause is power. Here's what that looks like in real life. The moment you notice your body reacting, and you will, you do not speak yet. You say this internally. I'm activated. I don't need to respond right now. Then you do something physical. Put one hand on your chest. Take a slow breath in or slow breath out. Drop your shoulders. That tells your nervous system, I'm not in danger. And when your body settles, even slightly, your words change, your tone changes, your choices change. This is behavior modification, not forcing better behavior, creating the conditions for better behavior. So this week, I want you to practice something simple and uncomfortable. Yeah, that's how I say that word. Delay one response per day by 10 seconds. Not 10 minutes, 10 seconds. Let your body catch up before your mouth speaks. That pause will save relationships. Trust. I practice it. It will save your energy. It will save you from self-betrayal. Ownership is not saying the perfect thing. Ownership is knowing when to wait.